Buttons are a great way to guide your viewers where you want them to go. A button can be anything. This is an image that I have created, and then this is just an image that I've searched for in Google. It's important to know that these buttons can link to different pages within your ePortfolio, but they can also link to external sites. If I wanted to link the Community Service button to my Community Service page, I'd click on the button and then choose the Hyperlink option. From here, you'll see all the pages in the site. I'll choose the one that I want and then apply. Maybe I want to link this graduate button to a website that contains information about a certain school I want to get into. All I would do is to click the link button, and then I'll copy and paste that external link. And then apply. You will see now that when I preview my site and I click on the button, it's going to take me where I want to go. If I go back home, this one will take me to, I just put the Northwest website. Remember that you can create images or you can find images. So I want to make note that when you go to select an image, that these images here in Google are labeled for commercial reuse with modification. So you'll just want to make sure that any images that you use, that you are paying attention to copyright and that those can be shared. Remember that these buttons can be any image that you create. You could create in Google Draw and then download as an image. You can have something from Canva, Adobe Spark, search for your own, or even upload from your computer. And then just make sure when you're linking, I cannot link this entire section. I have to click on the image itself until I see the link option.